Have you ever wanted to talk to someone in English, but you didn't know what to say?
Maybe you meet someone new. Maybe in school, at work, or online.
And you think, what if my English is bad? What if I make a mistake? What if the conversation becomes awkward?
So you stay quiet.
You smile, maybe say hi, and then the moment is gone.
But here is the truth.
Making friends in English is much easier than you think.
You do not need perfect grammar.
You do not need big vocabulary.
You only need a few simple sentences and a little confidence.
And today, we will show you exactly how to do it. Hello, everyone.
And welcome to our channel, Everyday Spoken English.
This is the place where you learn real English for real life.
Simple English.
Natural English.
The kind of English people actually use every day.
Here we help you speak with confidence.
Even if you are shy.
Even if you make mistakes.
Because learning English should be easy, practical, and fun.
Before we start, don't forget to subscribe to our channel.
And if you enjoy learning with us, please like this video.
It helps more English learners find this channel.
All right.
Let's start learning how to make friends in English.
Making friends is very important.
Friends make life happier.
Friends help you practice English.
And friends help you feel more comfortable in a new place.
But many English learners have the same problem.
They don't know how to start a conversation.
They think they need something very interesting to say.
But actually, making friends usually starts with very simple sentences.
In English, people often start with small talk.
Small talk means short, friendly conversation.
Nothing serious.
Nothing complicated.
Just simple questions and simple answers.
For example, "Hi, how are you?"
Or, "Where are you from?"
Or, "Is this your first time here?"
These small questions open the door to conversation.
And conversation leads to friendship. Let's start with the first step.
Step 1. Say hello.
Yes, it sounds simple.
But many learners skip this step because they feel shy.
So let's practice together.
Say it with us.
Hi.
Hello.
Hey, how are you?
Very simple.
Now imagine this situation. You are in a class. You sit next to someone. You want to start talking.
Here is a simple dialogue.
Listen first. Hi.
Hey.
Is this your first class here?
Yes, it is.
Me too.
See? Very easy.
Just a few sentences.
But now, you started a conversation.
Now let's learn some easy questions you can use to make friends.
These questions work almost everywhere. School, work, events, online.
Question 1. Where are you from?
This is one of the most common questions.
Let's practice. Say it with us. Where are you from?
Example conversation. Where are you from?
I'm from Brazil. What about you?
I'm from Canada.
And now the conversation continues. Question 2. What do you do?
This means your job or your studies.
Let's practice. Say it with us. What do you do?
Example conversation.
What do you do?
I'm a student.
Oh, nice. What do you study?
See? One question creates another question.
Question 3. Do you like living here?
This question is great when you meet someone in a new place.
Practice with us. Do you like living here?
Example. Do you like living here?
Yes, I do. The city is very beautiful.
I agree.
Now it's your turn.
Pause the video if you want.
And answer this question in English.
Where are you from?
Say your answer out loud.
For example, I'm from Morocco.
Or, I'm from Mexico.
Or, I'm from Japan.
Now try another one.
Answer this question.
What do you do?
Maybe you say, I'm a student.
Or, I'm a teacher.
Or, I work in an office.
Great! You are already practicing English.
Starting a conversation is good.
But how do you continue the conversation?
The secret is show interest.
When someone answers your question, ask another small question. Example, where are you from?
I'm from Italy.
Oh, nice. Which city?
Homie.
I've heard Rome is beautiful.
See? The conversation grows naturally.
Another great way to make friends is talking about hobbies.
Hobbies are things you enjoy doing. Examples:
Reading,
watching movies,
playing sports.
listening to music.
Question you can ask, what do you like to do in your free time?
Let's say it together.
What do you like to do in your free time?
Example conversation. What do you like to do in your free time?
I like watching movies.
Me too. What kind of movies?
Now you have a real conversation. Now try this.
Answer this question.
What do you like to do in your free time?
Say it out loud. Example answers.
I like reading.
I like playing football.
I like watching Netflix.
Good job.
Now imagine the conversation is going well.
You want to spend more time together.
Here are simple sentences. Do you want to get coffee sometime?
Do you want to study together?
Do you want to watch a movie?
Example conversation. Do you want to study together tomorrow?
Sure, that sounds good. Friendship started.
Now, let's talk about something very important.
Mistakes.
Many learners are afraid of making mistakes.
But mistakes are normal.
When a baby learns to walk,
The baby falls.
many times,
But the baby does not stop trying.
and one day, the baby walks.
Learning English is the same.
Every mistake is practice.
Every conversation makes you better.
And remember something important.
Most people are friendly.
They don't care if your English is perfect.
They care if you are kind.
And if you smile.
All right. Let's review what we learned today.
First, say hello.
Second, ask simple questions.
Like, where are you from?
What do you do?
What do you like to do in your free time?
Third, show interest. Ask another question.
Fourth, talk about hobbies.
And finally, don't be afraid of mistakes.
Just speak.
Now we want to hear from you.
Write a comment below.
Answer this question in English.
Where are you from? And what do you like to do in your free time?
This is great practice.
And if you enjoyed learning with us,
Don't forget to like this video.
and subscribe to our channel, Everyday Spoken English.
We post new videos to help you speak English confidently.
Simple lessons.
Real conversations.
Practical English you can use every day.
Thank you so much for watching.
Keep practicing.
Keep speaking.
And remember,
You can do it.
see you in the next video.
Bye, everyone.
Bye.